What's up, you guys? Here's my updated bike check on my custom bike. Up here I got ODI long neck grip stretched out a little bit. I got ODI nylon bars, Colt Death Row V2 bars. I got Colt top load stem, the bolts are hollow. Some black and gold pieces right here to make it makes it a bigger rise. Plus the top load makes it higher, like maybe an inch rise, I think. And I think my bars are 9.5 inch rise, so they're really big bars. They're good. I got Federal Bruno Hoffman frame. I'm running brakeless right now. Got some stickers on it. Swag. Oh yeah, I'm brakeless right now. I got some Odyssey CS2 race forks. I got a duo stunner tire tan wall. I'm gonna probably change when I pop my tires. If I have this one's about to break or something, it's running black right now. I'm gonna get black walls. I just want to switch it up a little bit. Animal MK3 peg, MK2 light. On this side I have a kink peg. Not sure. I know it's kink. And I got G-Sport gland hub guards tied down with zip ties on both sides. I'm running 4 pegs. So for my bottom bracket set, I got Odyssey twisted PCs, demolition cranks, really nice. I got demolition bottom bracket. Back here I got another animal MK3 peg, BSD hub guard. Oh yeah, forgot to mention my rim. Odyssey has it laced to an animal javelin hub, really nice. I like it a lot. Got it from one barn. I got an Odyssey version 3 hub. I'm switching it over to the other side. I got a stolen shackle chain, a demolition sprocket, really nice. I got what's going on here. I got a duo seat with its federal seat hooks. Running. And I'm running another animal MK3 peg in the back. Really like it. It's got a Primo hub guard because I'm running 4 pegs now. I got opposites, and I like them. They're a lot of fun. Yeah, and that's my bike check. Thanks for watching.